Hi guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025, and let's learning Excel. Today we're going to learn about fill. Fill in this home fill. Fill is function to fill data. For example, you have this data like data one in this column. You could block this like one you want to fill the solid fill, and then select as we are on the top down. We could select right or up. So if we choose right, it's going to duplicate all the data that it will block to the right. And then if we select up, it's going to copy the data down here to the up. For example, here we're going up first and then right. We're going to do that. And if you have the data in this part, if you left, you can do that. Because what? Because you need to be on something. So you want to go left or down, you make sure you are in the top position. But if you work like this, you can go down. You hold the data down. You left or right, it's gonna copy. If left, that is consider all the part on the left are going to the left. If it's right, all the data on the left going right. Up, it means all the data in the down part going to copy up. Okay. That's a very simple thing, and it's pretty useful if you want to fill something. Next is if you want to make a certain data, like you want to make 1 to 1000, for example. There's an easy way for you to do that. Instead of manually copy paste the data, you use fill and use series. Is just select linear row if you want to the right, and columns if you want columns. So 1 to 1000, for example. To select this is linear, so it means it's gonna take data directly 1, 2, 3, 4 step. It means if you choose to, that is 1, 3, 5, and can make it because I don't have to need to have the star. There's 1, then 1000 columns. 1 to 1000. You want to start from 2 and do it again. 4. 2. So only on the even 2, 4, 6, 8 until 1000. You could do that. And stop failing 1000. It means it's end on the 1000, or if the data you're gonna use is more than 1000. So in this case, oh sorry, I used the right part. It's until 1000. But if you start from 3, for example, series again, and then 2 and 1000, it's gonna end on the 99 part. Because if you add to that, it's gonna 1001, and it's not gonna work like that. So that's series linear. There are also series for growth. Growth mean you're gonna multiply the data. So from 1, and then step fill is 2. Then just 1. Just 1, it's not gonna work because 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Never ending circle, so it's not. That's growth for you. Yeah, I forgot. Let's try again. Yeah, it's working. It's working for multiply. Even if you a decimal point, you guys work for decimal point. not need to start from. And 4,000. The next is date. Series, and now here it's already realized it. So we could tell it date, weekday, month, year, style value at what? 100 days. Work like that. Date, I guess. Yeah, you need to sell the date. This is if you sell it days. Is what happen if you sell weekdays. So this is pretty cool. If you need to do it on weekdays only, you make a list. Sometimes use this, weekday things. 1 December 2023. All the weekdays. The red. Next, if you want to select the month, it's also work like that. It's block one here. Month, and it's gonna show you month like 1 Jan 2027. Go to the right, yeah, exactly what. 24. That's happening, yeah, it's so. And you're also work the same. Forget January 2030 maybe. Yeah, it's anyway, guys. I think that's it for Phil. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.